they can't put one on Ellen DeGeneres. Well, probably should edit that out. G'day world, Craig Jenkins from Bendigo Hydroblasting back again. Got a phone call or a message yesterday from one of my customers, said, got an expansion chamber I need cleaning up. Can you do it? He said, I'm going to put a clear Cerakote over the top of it when you're finished. So he said, it's got to be clean, got to be dry. How do you reckon you'll go? I said, well, send her over, mate. We'll give it a crack. Anyhow, last night, sitting out in the front veranda was a package with the muffler in it. Well, or the expansion chamber. We'll open her up, put her in the machine, and we'll see how we go. Stay tuned. Well, that's what we're dealing with. It's nice and clean. It's been sandblasted, so all the paint's gone from it. DG pipe off a VMX bike. What we'll do is we'll bung these holes up with some rags and some tape and stuff. Stop crap getting inside the machine and glass getting down inside that. And yeah, we'll pop her in and give her a wash and see how it comes up. Well, here's what I've done, folks. I don't know whether you can see that down in there, but I've bunged a rag in there and sealed it up with race tape and done the same this end. Now, that's not going to be a real problem as far as leakage goes, because I'm not going to be direct blasting on that at all. So I'll probably get some water in there, but I shouldn't get any glass or anything like that deep inside the chamber. Righto, we'll put it in this machine here. And we'll give it a wash. Well, I've given that a clean. I've wiped it down dry, so what I'll do now is I'll pull the tape and the rags out of the insides and give it another wipe down, make sure it's completely dry, and then I'll spend a bit of time on it with my heat gun just to make sure there's no moisture hidden in spots that will create a bit of flash rusting. So, okay, hang on a minute. Well, that's a look at the finished product, folks. Hopefully all that heat that I just put into that will be enough to keep the flash rust monster away. So what we'll do now is we'll wrap it back up and send it to the customer. The bloke that I'm doing this for does the best ground up restorations I've ever seen on vintage motocross bikes. So I'm sure he'll be happy with that. Well viewers, thanks to modern technology, I've managed to get a couple of pics of the finished product from John at Top Notch in Kahuna. He's added the welding blue and coated the whole thing with clear Cerakote. I'll chuck the pics on the screen and give you a look. Technology's wonderful, eh? They can put a man on the moon, but they can't put one on Ellen DeGeneres. Well, probably should edit that out. Thanks again for watching, folks. Please hit the like button, drop a YouTube comment, subscribe to my channel, like my page on Facebook, and I'll see you next time. Don't die wondering.